Hi, welcome to Perkins Motors. We're showcasing our 2022 Jeep Wrangler. My name is Shawn Miller. I'm the service manager here. Today we want to do just a quick series of how-to videos. You know how to fill up your washer fluid, check your oil, and check some of the other vital fluids of your vehicle. So today we'll start with the washer fluid. You know it's a washer fluid because it's got the little windshield on it and it's got the sprayers that go to it. Just a matter of opening up the cap, filling it full of fluid. This one is purple. That seems to be the latest. There's pink, there's orange, there's yellow. There's just a bunch of different colors out there. They all do different things. So find the one that's right for the climate that you're going to. Just open up the cap, fill it full of there, and away you go. A lot of customers ask, how do I fill the rear washer fluid? Pretty simple. There's a reservoir right underneath the rear seat. There's actually a pump that's going to take it right from here and then fill that reservoir for you, and a pump that takes it to the back window. So there's no other thing you need to do other than fill the main one. I'm Shawn Miller, and I'll be here to greet you.